big burp for mommy. A big burp for mommy. Look at the wins.
He's got the biggest eyes.
Look at the wins. Come on, bud. Look at the wins. Can you give me a burp?
Oh, that's not what we wanted on Kate, buddy.
We didn't want this beating you. We wanted a burp.
You trying to convince people that we beat you?
Yeah, lean the head forward for the burp to come out. You can do it.
Keep your head still, buddy. The camera doesn't like it when you shift it around everywhere.
You can do it. Come on. You can burp. You can do it. Oh. Maybe not. Shake you up. There we go. That was a good burp.
That was a good one, buddy.
Oh. Instead of shake you up like a pop can.